Hi, welcome back to Genius Lounge. I'm your host, Matt. Today, we're going to talk about how to take a screenshot. A screenshot is an image of the contents of your iPhone's screen. You'll also have the ability to edit that image just a little bit before you send it off to your camera roll. We'll touch on that here in just a bit. So let's go ahead and let's start taking our screenshots. To take your screenshot, you'll press the home button and the power button simultaneously for just a second. When you do, you'll see your screenshot appear in the lower left corner. Tap it, and you'll get quite a few options. You can crop the photo by dragging these little bars. I can mark up the photo with a pen, if I so choose. I have the option to undo. I can highlight. And in the lower right, there's the option to add text, a signature, or even call something out with a magnifier. When I'm done, all I have to do in the lower left corner is to tap that share button, and then I can share it to all my various services. So that's how to take a screenshot. If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our page, and if you have feedback for us, please fill out the survey in the description of this video. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time on Genius Lounge.